You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this musical instrument, Chinese. If you want to learn more names from Chinese and or music, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to listen to and learn from. Pronounced in Chinese, Gujin, Gujin. How to pronounce therefore in English? Oh, sorry about that. Gujin. How to pronounce in English? English pronunciation. Gujin, Gujin from Chinese. Gujin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.